Welcome to JH. To configure several take-profit targets on Tradingview, follow these instructions. This approach helps you implement an organized plan to capitalize on price shifts while minimizing exposure. Begin by signing into your Tradingview profile. If you are a new user, register and complete the setup by following the prompts on your screen. Once you are in, navigate to the Supercharts section and select the specific asset you wish to trade, whether it is a stock, cryptocurrency, or a forex pair. Pick your preferred entry technique, such as a market, limit, or stop order, depending on your specific plan. After your trade is active, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Trade, then create New Order. When the order window appears, you will find settings for take profit and stop loss points. Here, you can enter various take profit targets by modifying the price or percentage values for exiting the position. Alternatively, use the trading panel located at the bottom of the interface to manually refine or add different profit-taking milestones. Establishing multiple exit points allows you to secure gains at different stages as the market moves in your direction. You can always adjust these levels after the order is live by returning to the order settings to add, change, or delete profit targets based on current market trends.